guys, it's Amanda again, and I am your Sunday spot on 7 Figure Skaters. This week's theme on 7 Figure Skaters is skating tips. So today I'll be giving you some tips on how to properly care for your blades. First, one of the most important things you'll need to protect your blades is a towel for your skates. It's a towel to dry off your blades when you're done. This, like I said, it's really important to have because this is the most important thing that prevents them from rusting. So you can get these at a lot of competitions. I've gotten one at every competition I've been to. And you can also buy them online, so they're definitely not hard to find and not too expensive. The thing you should do if you notice any kind of rust on your blade, don't freak out, get them sharpened as soon as possible, because if they're sharpened, that will get the rust off. And if your blades seem prone to rusting, like you just keep seeing a little bit of rust, and you definitely don't want that to happen, a great thing to do is to get your skates, and you can even take the soakers off and just lay them on a shelf where pets and siblings, younger siblings, cannot reach them. This is great because it dries out the blade all the way instead of leaving them with soakers on in a bag. So I definitely recommend doing that. Wearing guards on your blades is really important because it protects your blades from hard surfaces that could scratch them, from dirt. It protects the rocker on your blade that allows you to spin. So it's definitely important to have guards. So the thing with guards is you want to use them as much as possible when you're off ice, but you never want to leave them on for extended periods of time because that can rust your blades, and if you leave them on for a really long time, it can cause severe rusting that could possibly make the blades unusable. So that would be really bad, obviously. The guards I have are just guard dogs, but if you have pulley mounted blades, then definitely don't stomp around too much because I actually got a little bit of scalloping in my pre-mounted Rydell blades when I wore my guards and kind of set my feet down too hard. So that is something to be careful about. Sorry I forgot to film an outro, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!